This is a year when we are blessed with strong and moderate leaders in the Middle Eastern region. I come to Geneva to meet with the great president of Syria, President Assad, as a leader of one of the great countries in the Middle East. I look to him for guidance and advice and for support as all of us search for progress in achieving peace in that important and troubled part of the world. President Assad has a great role to play because of his experience, the greatness of his country, his interest in and sensitivity about world affairs outside his region, and because of his ability to bring together different peoples who in the past have been unfriendly toward one another and at odds. I want to express my deep thanks to President Assad for being willing to come to Geneva to meet with me. And I'll try to capitalize on the close friendship which he and I have already established. And I believe that the discussions will be fruitful because of his goodwill, his experience, his knowledge, his sensitivity, and his graciousness in meeting me here. So thank you again, President Assad.